Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Yes, welcome back to Taste of Home.
Yes, in today's video we'll showcase to you some of the mistakes we've made in raising our chickens.
Yeah, I mean, we felt like it's good that we share all our mistakes so that when you're thinking about having chickens, you have a heads up on how to take care of them, and you don't have to do the mistakes that we did.
Yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and yeah,
please, and if you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It'll just help the channel grow.
Exactly. Enjoy, guys.
Enjoy. When we first started our chicken keeping journey, we were so excited about fresh eggs and teaching our children about where food comes from. But we quickly learned that there is a lot more to raising chickens than just throwing some feed their way. Today, we are sharing 10 chicken keeping mistakes that could be costing you money, mistakes we've made ourselves and learned from the hard way. So, if you are thinking about starting your own flock, or if you've already started raising chickens, this video might save you some headaches and quite a bit of cash. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Mixing chicken breeds randomly. Our first mistake was mixing chicken breeds without proper research. We thought the more variety, the better. But we quickly learned these can lead to issues. Different breeds have different needs. Some are called hardy, others heat tolerant. Some are prolific layers, while others are more ornamental. And when they breed, the offspring can be weaker with inconsistent egg production. Research breeds that work well together and suit your climate and goals. If you want reliable egg production, focus on proven laying breeds like Rhode Island Reds or Leghorns. For us, we found that the Australorp breed type thrive in our environment and meet our needs best. Mistake number 2. Inadequate nesting boxes. Another costly mistake we made was not providing enough nesting boxes. Our hens would literally queue up and fight for the same box, even when empty ones were available. This territorial behavior led to broken eggs, stressed chickens, and sometimes even injuries. Provide one nesting box for every 3 to 4 hens. Make them identical. Place them in a quiet, dimly lit area of the coop. We found that lining them with soft bedding like straw or wood shavings and adding some ceramic eggs helped train our hens to use all the boxes. Since making these changes, egg breakage has dropped significantly. Mistake number 3. Roosters in suburban settings. This one was a big lesson. We didn't realize that the cute chicks we brought home included roosters until they started crowing at 5 a.m. If you are in a suburban area, consider sexed chickens or mature pullets instead of straight runs. While they cost more initially, you'll save money by avoiding the cost of rehoming roosters. Mistake number 4. Underestimating feed costs. When we started, we calculated feed costs based on the current prices. What we didn't account for was how those costs would increase over time and how much chickens actually eat. Buy feed in bulk when possible and store it properly in metal containers to prevent rodents. Consider supplementing with chicken scraps, garden produce, and allow supervised free ranging to reduce feed costs. We have started growing some chicken-friendly plants like sunflowers and corn to supplement their diet, which has helped cut our feed bill by about 20%. Mistake number 5. Inadequate protection from wild birds. We learned the hard way when we lost some of our chickens to diseases carried by wild birds. It was heartbreaking after all the time and care we had put into raising them. Wild birds can easily spread illness to your flock through shed, water, food, and droppings. Cover all open areas of your coop and run with fine mesh or hardware cloth to keep wild birds out. Avoid leaving chicken feed out in the open and use covered feeders and waterers. Regularly clean and disinfect feeders, waterers, and the coop itself. Keeping wild birds away is critical to protecting your flock's health. Mistake number 6. No roost for sleeping. In the beginning, we didn't provide a proper roosting area and the chickens were forced to sleep on the ground. Chickens naturally prefer to sleep perched off the ground and without a roost. They become stressed and more vulnerable to dirt, parasites, and cold. Install sturdy roosts inside the coop, raised off the ground at least 1 meter to about 1.2 meters. Use rounded or flat wooden perches that are comfortable for them to grip. Giving your chickens a safe, elevated place to sleep keeps them healthier, happier, and feeling more secure at night. Mistake number 7. Incorrect feeding practices. We used to fill up feeders whenever they looked empty and would throw treats liberally throughout the day. This led to wastage, selective eating, and overweight chickens that laid less frequently. Use proper feeders that reduce spillage and raise them to the height of your chicken's back to prevent scratching out feed. Limit treats to 10% of their diet and offer them in the afternoon after they've eaten the nutritious layer feed. We also started measuring feed rather than just filling containers, which reduced our monthly feed costs by about 15%. Mistake number 8. Ignoring signs of illness. Early on, we missed subtle signs of illness in our flock, which allowed problems to spread and become more serious and more expensive to treat. Learn to recognize early signs of common chicken ailments like respiratory issues, parasites, or egg binding. Keep a small medicine kit with essentials like poultry, vitamin supplements, electrolytes, and diatomaceous earth for parasite control. Regular health checks have helped us catch problems early, saving both our chickens and our wallet. Mistake number 9. Inadequate water systems. We started with small drinkers that needed frequent refilling and were easily contaminated with bedding and droppings. This created more work and potential health issues. Invest in a larger nipple-based water system that keeps water clean and reduces waste. Proper hydration means better egg production and fewer health problems. Mistake number 10. Not keeping records. For months, we had no idea which hens were laying and which were just freeloading. We were also not tracking expenses or egg production. Keep simple records of feed costs, egg production, and health issues. Even a basic notebook works. We've also started observing which hens are productive and which might be better suited for the stew pot after the productive laying years. This record keeping helped us identify that our Australorp breed are our most cost-effective layers. In conclusion, Keeping chickens has been such a rewarding experience for our family. Despite these early mistakes, our children have learned responsibility. We enjoy the freshest eggs possible, and there's something deeply satisfying about this small step towards self-sufficiency. Remember, everyone makes mistakes when they first start keeping chickens. The key is to learn from them and adjust. We hope sharing our experiences helps you avoid some of our costly errors. If you're already raising chickens, we'd love to hear what mistakes you've learned in the comments below. And if you're just starting out, let us know which of these tips you found most helpful. And remember, mistakes are just learning opportunities in disguise. Happy chicken keeping, everyone. If you enjoyed watching this video,
Don't forget to subscribe.
and
Yeah,
see you
see you in the next video, guys.